In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva T-shirt design templates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick a template, customize it to fit your style, and download a clean file that's ready to use. Start by opening Canva. Once you're on the home screen, click Create a Design. In the search field that appears, type T-shirt under the design types. This ensures your canvas is set to the right format for apparel and helps you see options tailored for shirt designs. Next, select a T-shirt template. You'll see a gallery of ready-made styles from bold typography to playful graphics. Take a moment to browse and choose a template you like. Think about the person who will wear it and the message you want to send. Look for clear contrast, simple shapes and designs that read well from a distance. When your template opens, click the text to edit the wording. Replace the placeholder text with your phrase, brand name, or event title. Keep it brief and impactful for best readability. If a line feels crowded, break it into 2 lines to create balance. Now, change fonts, colors, and size to match your vision. Try pairing a bold display font with a clean secondary font for contrast. Keep color choices limited so the design doesn't feel busy. Dark text on a light shirt or light text on a dark shirt is a reliable approach. Adjust sizing so the main message is dominant without running too close to the edges. Add or remove icons, graphics, or elements to refine the look. If an illustration competes with your text, scale it down or swap it for a simpler shape. If the design needs energy, add a small accent graphic or line detail. Aim for consistency in style, with stroke weight and color. Adjust the layout and alignment so everything feels intentional. Center key elements, keep even spacing, and align edges for a polished finish. Step back for a moment. If your eyes go straight to the main message, you're on the right track. Preview the design on the T-shirt mockup. This gives you a realistic sense of placement and scale. If something feels off, return to the canvas and nudge, resize, or simplify until it looks balanced. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG with transparent background. This keeps only your design and removes any unwanted background color, which is ideal for printing on different shirt colors. Finally, click Download. Your T-shirt design is ready to go.